Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the red key. This specialized tool serves as a master key for advanced vehicle functions, often related to programming new keys or performing diagnostic procedures. It's crucial for maintaining your vehicle's security and performance, allowing access to systems not available with standard keys. Understanding its purpose is the first step to utilizing its full potential safely and effectively for various maintenance tasks. Before you begin using your red key, a few preparatory steps are vital. First, ensure your vehicle's battery is fully charged. This prevents any power interruptions during critical programming. Next, gather all existing keys and any new ones you plan to program. Always park your vehicle on a level surface with the ignition off. Finally, always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for model-specific instructions and important safety warnings before proceeding. Now, let's walk through the usage. Insert the red key into the ignition and turn it to the on position for approximately 5 seconds, then remove it. Immediately, insert a standard key and turn it to on for about 10 seconds. Repeat this for any additional standard keys you need to program. Pay close attention to your dashboard indicator lights. A successful programming sequence is often confirmed by a specific light pattern or a chime, indicating completion. Should you encounter issues, don't worry. If a key fails to program, recheck all steps carefully and confirm your vehicle's battery is strong. Incorrect timing or a faulty key transponder are common culprits. For best practices, always store your red key in a safe, memorable location, separate from your daily use keys. This prevents accidental loss or damage. Also, avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures or strong magnetic fields to maintain its integrity and functionality over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.